Okay, so for my game, I've already created 2 topics. Both of them have 3 or 4 challenges inside them each. It's relatively playable, but I'm going to add some additional game elements. In particular, with this video, I'm going to cover achievements. So what achievements are badges that players earn over the course of the game for completing different actions. How I can access achievements is going to Project Tools, and then I can go to User Management and Awardables and then go to Achievement Manager. Okay, so you can see right now that there are player achievements and team achievements. I don't have teams enabled in my game, so I'm going to just cover player achievements for this video. So the first thing I'm going to do is create a new player achievement. So you can see for achievement, it's very similar to project, topic, and challenge creation, the only difference being that instead of 1 description, now there are 2. So the first one is the description to show before this achievement is unlocked, and then the second one is the description to show after this achievement is unlocked. So before I create any of those details, the first thing I'm going to do is select which rule I want this achievement to be. So let's scroll down here, award this achievement when a player performs the following action, and then I select the rule. So there are several different rules, including completions in project, completions in topic, completions in challenge, points, comments, votes, and others, depending on what's the behavior you want to be driving in your players. So for mine, it's going to be quite simple. I want them to earn at least 200 points in this project. So once the player hits 200 points over the course of playing the project, they're going to trigger the pop-up message saying that they've earned this achievement and that this achievement will unlock on their profile. So I'll just fill out the details for this achievement now. And I'm ready to create it. So I can just press Create Achievement. So I'm just going to create a few more achievements now, and then I'll walk you through each of them just to show you all the different settings that you can configure for achievements on Gametize. Alright, so I've gone on ahead to create 2 more achievements. So one is this photographer badge, and then the second one is this fastest fingers first for the first 10 days. So I'll walk you through both of these achievements and what they are. So I'll go to Edit Achievement, and then you'll see that for this one, the rule is made at least 1 photo completion in this project. So in this case, I've decided that for the description to show before this achievement is unlocked, I'm not going to give them the exact instructions on how they can earn this badge. Instead, I'll tell them, keep playing this game to unlock this badge, and then I've given a hint that it's something to do with the word photo. And in the case for a description to show after this achievement is unlocked, I've elected to say, show this to your game master for a special prize. So this is a different way for them to be earning rewards throughout the game rather than just through the reward store. You can do it via achievement as well. So what they can do is they can go up to you, show you the achievement on their profile that they've unlocked, and then they're able to redeem a reward in that way. Okay, so this is the photographer achievement badge. I also have the fastest fingers first for the first 10 days. So the first 10 days is my very first topic. I've configured it so that being one of the first 5 players to complete any challenge in this topic will earn them this badge. So it means that they need to be fast to be able to earn this achievement. Not everyone is going to be able to get this. Alright, so that's the Achievement Manager in a nutshell.